Let's talk about simplifying quotient of powers. Say we have 2 to the 5th divided by 2 cubed. So we all know that 2 to the 5th simply means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And the product is, if you're going to get the product is 32. And 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2. Wherein the product is 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So if we're going to divide 32 by 8, the quotient is 4. Or you may simply cancel out the common factors 2. Then what is left is the product of 2 times 2, which is 4. Now, to simplify quotient of powers, all you have to do is to write the base, which is 2. Then simply subtract the exponent. So 5 minus 3 is 2. That is 2 squared. And 2 squared is equal to 4. Let's have another example. Say x to the 6th divided by x to the 5th. So using the rule, you simply write the base, then subtract the exponent. So 6 minus 5 is 1. But there's no need to write 1 as your exponent. So the answer is simply x. Next, we have a cubed b to the 4th divided by a squared b. So let's first get the quotient of a cubed and a squared. So a cubed divided by a squared, that is 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is simply a. Then b to the 4th divided by b, that is 4 minus 1. The difference is 3. So that is b cubed. So the answer is ab cubed. Next we have 12m to the 4th and cubed divided by 4m n squared. So let us first divide the numerical coefficients. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then m to the 4th divided by m is m cubed. Then n cubed divided by n squared is n. So the answer is 3m cubed n.